healthy. Who knows? Right. So what I was doing is I was running crap on one of my own videos. I was like, okay, how would I test out this service we built, right? It's live now, videocut.org. The web service we built, which basically hosts the program, Cut the Crap. So I wanted to just use it. That's my plan now. However, when I started trying to use it, I encountered various bugs. The first of which I already solved. And it just couldn't find YouTube DL at all. So I was trying to use it, couldn't find YouTube DL. And then the second bug I'm gonna show right now. Wait, did it start? Did my stream start? I started streaming, right? Yes, we're live. Okay, so second bug. If we go to root and videocut.org, okay. Journal control, fuck you, video cut, I guess. Maybe if you just not follow, but it works. Okay, let's make this, and where did I run? Oh, I left it running. I probably left the tab open or something while great. Okay, we can use okay, maybe 200k. That looks better. But something is happening. Right. So we got the download destination and then it was like just querying internet, that's fine. All pretty normal. Then I realized the buffer wasn't flushed correctly somewhere here. Because we have the timestamp here from our own application, Cut the Crap. And we have the timestamp here in journal control, which don't align. So maybe this was using some kind of buffering and it didn't get flushed until some of the shit happened. Anyway, it tried deleting this file, but this file didn't exist because YouTube DL, if we run if we run this outside of, if we just run this, you know, as a shell command, then the resulting file will not have the .mkv output. And we didn't discover this before because I didn't test on Twitch. I only tested on YouTube video because, you know, I put in my website URL and see if that worked. And it kind of worked. It worked for YouTube videos, but it doesn't work for Twitch. So now we need to make it fix for Twitch because that's like our target audience. Kind of important. And I made a bug for that. Cut the Crap as well. You know, kind of. There it is. So I made a bug using Twitch. Okay, so we need to fix this. YouTube DL will then make an MKV file for Twitch videos, whereas it does for YouTube videos. Our solution is to check out whether or not and move it into MKV, which is what we'll do. So we'll just stat it, see if the .mkv file exists, and if it doesn't exist, we'll just try copying it without it or moving it without it. See if that exists, and if that doesn't exist either, we have a problem. So we'll do die. Actually, this may be upstream bug in YouTube DL as well. I'm not sure. But for now, we'll just work around that behavior with a bit of failover. And the other issue is like we can't actually report bugs into YouTube DL directly anymore because, as everyone knows, at this point, YouTube DL got DMCA noticed and on GitHub their repository got taken down. So I don't even know where upstream is at the moment. I don't know if that project will continue existing. Maybe we need to adopt it. It's a lot of uncertainty. So yeah. We'll just work around it for now, because I honestly, like, normally I would report this as a bug in YouTube DL, but for now we can't really do that because there's no upstream. I don't know, do they have a website or something? We could quickly look. We can find a website. I suspect they will set up their own host. Oh, they have a one page. Our dev repository. Well, I guess not anymore. You aren't. Yeah, this just happened over the weekend. So probably YouTube complained to GitHub that YouTube DL was infringing copyright and got them taken down. So they'll probably set up their own GitLab. How to make, like, these are skilled engineers. They know. I have full confidence they can figure it out. Okay, moving on. We'll just fix this bug down. I can't believe this project already has 50 bugs. I spent like a fair bit of time on this as well. Just trying, like, I spent way more, well, no. Like, I threw a lot of videos in this program. So it's not like the time spent developing this is totally justified. Like, I think I still saved time, even though what is probably not justified is trying to make AMD Debian files. What I will try to do again, so that's the other to-do item today, is we will try, make a list, maybe? Okay, that still bothers me, that's fine. To do, fix that. Twitch, download, number 51, right? And then the other to do is test out the bundle, because I have a VM now. It works. I installed Dropbox on that because I don't want to have that spyware called Dropbox running on my main machine. So I put it in VM. Yeah, unfortunately the hackathon wasn't as free as I hoped. Team didn't get to choose myself. What do you do? Probably me. I also won't have a research. That's fine. Fix the switch down first. That's quite easy. Say full confidence. I say that. Super easy. Super easy. Oh, you know what? The other thing I want to do today is try setup. Maybe not today. I want to do it soon. Try set up Haskell IDE. No, that's gonna be another complete stream content probably. Not trivial task. One does not easily set up Haskell IDE. What the hell? Why does oh, it's because of C2HS, right? So that's like the fix to make it work with Nix packages. But that same fix that C2HS also makes it so that we have to download. For some reason the Nix shell doesn't provide that. So yeah. We got a partial Nix shell, I guess. Don't get everything. Yeah. I guess, like, if I'm gonna throw this stream also at the crap. Shut up. Nothing interesting. We'll cut it out. Cut out parts. Is it even doing anything? So this is my little, what do you call this? Little app. Just always has a system monitor. Turns out to be. Alright, here was videos. I have no idea what that really is. It's a bit opaque. Maybe there's a verbose option. No. Babel is Babel is probably as complicated as what are you made by Haskell. They gotta lay their intelligence egg somewhere. Yeah, I don't like Babel. There we go. Actually, we could probably use GTI to run it. So moving on, we need to reproduce. I'm realizing it's kind of annoying to do with like the current video I was seeing. It's like large video, so it will take a long time to download entirety. It would be better if we could. Maybe we can make like clips or something, Twitch, and then we have like small video instead to download. Maybe I have my own clips or something. I guess I can use it from any. So where do I find clip? It was like speaker. Yeah. Where are clips? How to navigate? Why? I don't know. No button. Is it because I'm live? We are hot. Oh, okay. What? It is what? Show me the. Where are the videos? See if you just like, I'm like navigating. Oh, okay. Oh, I found it. Don't worry. So this is where you can see videos. Oh, it's we were keeping that. I don't know who watched. Maybe we can target this one instead. To take this. I don't know why this is watched more often than the clips. Doesn't seem to make sense. It makes me question. Like, I think I even clip that mic. And then do listen and put in the URL. Being a clip. Yeah, it's a lot faster. Just a small video. Can you even run this clip? Yeah, this is the bug. This file doesn't exist because it is actually being produced this file. Yeah, it's this file. So to solve this bug, we need to check if this file exists after the download without the mkv. And if so, we just need to move mkv. I was thinking maybe we should check if the URL being put which complex. Just easier to assume YouTube DL has two different ways. But it's also complaining about it can't quite do it quite right. Fmpeg fix malform. Oh, it's doing something. But if you look at the results, right, you can't find the input file here. And then you try to delete it because you're in a bracket. The problem. So on running YouTube, run YouTube file. We need to actually check. Oh, I'm not sure if Shell can be honest. I need to stat the file. That's what I would do on Shell. See if it exists, I use stat. But I'm not sure if Shell. I need to use a different library. Use stat. I'm not sure if this is gonna do any files. Bring the file system. Does a path point to an existing file system object? Exactly. Okay. Apparently we can do that. Out when out onto file path. So if you exist as a file, if this file path is a file, we know it didn't create the .mkv file, so we'll move it to. This will be the okay. That should fix the bug. We assume there is a .mkv file outside of this everywhere. And I think this is the acquire. Just running the YouTube DL is acquiring. Acquire file path. Sequence run YouTube. Just run YouTube DL. Okay. So yes, that is acquiring. And here we just juggle some shit around. Make it work. Excellent. So now if we run this again, let's scope file path. We need to have a capital. I wonder if this import shell. Yeah. Do the match expected type as a special type. Oh, we need to tell it what to move to where. We need to tell it to move file path. Fix bug where GPL always fee. This is nice. Yeah, we're just running that do for. So now we're moving it into the mkv file. It always now it's actually doing the listening. So we fixed the bug. Hooray! Glorious. It's quite simple fix, but that's why it's a good fix. Hey, hello. How are you doing? Easy claps. Oh, I don't even chat mode. I fixed the bug. We're gonna release now. Trying to fix my PC. What's wrong with it? Alright, the output will be out. Out of them. Learn to topple. I'm gonna vote for Yuppie doing day one. But I I need to finish this. Like, I got into trouble if I finish this. Excellent. I have no idea what's happening there. It's like way too dense, I guess, the default setting. So yeah, that's another thing we probably should look at. Like tweak those settings to work with arbitrary videos. Because right now it's just so dense. Like, oh my god, can't keep up. Yeah, but I need to play with it more. Yes, I'll just need to use it, to be honest. And then everything. So I guess we'll make a release. Fix the bug. Great, release now. Avoid this. Oh right, we added that bundle. I guess we can build CI as well. Okay, I did a lot of stuff on upstream. Yeah, okay. This is just a bug. Did I upgrade as well? Yes. Oh, I added also Google YouTube. Bad idea. We don't have to do that. I don't want to do that. Google YouTube is something we're gonna do with YouTube. Right. Release a bug. That's not bundles. That's something else. That doesn't even correspond to a feature. Here we fix the bug. Fix bug. Fix. Okay. And here we are adding. Oh no, I don't right now. Just okay. We'll do it like this. You know, we'll first say the bump version bump for fix bug, please, and then we'll do all this. And yeah, this is all related to add bundle mechanism. So the reason I don't want to do that Google right now is because it takes like half an hour to compile because it's all generated code. It's generated from Google API and Google API is massive. So I don't want to do that. Luckily Nix can cache it though. You only have to build it once, but I don't want to, you know. There's this chance that I'm working on a different pin and then we have to build it again. Like do video cut. Okay. Intense, man. Let's make a release. Add it to the changelog. Version. Make it for video. Well, I have like a doc on how to release something. Git version, record changes in changelog, upload to Hackage, add GitHub, and we'll do the static build later. I don't want to do it right now. I just want to release the streaming service we have, and then we're gonna test this program on a stream I have and see how watchable it is. But I think I needed to tune the setting. Probably also not a good time to do. I may actually do some tuning of those settings. Or we want to, yeah, make it work on Twitch. Fix bug. Sometimes stop. Right. Switch as to. Okay, that's more precise. Change and 2. Okay, and then we make this. I don't think this builds on package. Oh, manual ad hoc. I mean, yeah, this is how you find bugs. Just trying to. Kind of amazing how difficult it is to properly. Like every step along the way, there's just some little issue go wrong. And it's also because like what I'm doing, it's slightly linked system stuff. It's all shell programs. It's all shell programming. So there's a lot of things to go wrong. Like I'm not gonna make a. Spell it twice. Does it work now? Shouldn't Oh right, that also returns the result, of course. And move shouldn't return the result. I feel I have too many voids. Yeah, now it's okay. Anyway, I'm gonna still upload a package. Upload. Or I guess this I can't find key off. Yeah, I doesn't care about no. It doesn't matter. Like that didn't work because we are depending on shell stuff. So even if you do no link binary, isn't quite system and then try finding those shell programs in a Nix-like path. Yeah, feels bad, man. Hopefully this towel will make my audio better. Like I tested it before and it should make it less sissy. I guess I can wait until we get box or not. I'll try it again. It feels okay. Is it working now? Keep saying disk boot failure. Oh, are you still around by the way? I missed disk boot failure. Wait, it says that? It says disk boot. Normally it doesn't say that. It just doesn't boot. Maybe you left. How are you watching the stream if you don't have audio mobile? I guess. Oh, that okay, we made a little bit. What do we do next? I guess we can test the. We can make another bundle, right? Or this stuff takes a while, or it doesn't take a while at all. Oh, right, because it's cached. Okay. So this is something which is not a dynamic executable. But we can copy this over to the Ubuntu machine. So if you move this to VBox Ubuntu. You do code editing. Hi. Hello, small but cool streamer. How are you doing? I'm watching you on mobile. Okay. It keeps saying disk. So how far do you get then? Do you get like the grub? Do you know what grub is? Like it helps debugging your stuff if you know how far you get and you don't see anything at all, but just disk boot failure, then it's kind of not helpful. Maybe you can get into BIOS, would help you figuring out what you program now. We are making a automatic video program. Well, we made it. We just fixed a bug. Well, actually, so we have the automated video editing program and then we put it online as well. But there was a bug because I wanted to make this for Twitch, right? For other Twitch streamers to use. So you get like a video from Twitch and then put it into here, to the website. But it didn't work. So we fixed that right now. Amongst other things, we need to deploy this. So we need to make our fix. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Hopefully helps you yourself as well, being a small streamer, not having to edit it. But it's difficult, right? Now, many small things that interact with you. I'll get some water. The whole brick. Fix this. Right, now we're gonna test out the bundle and then we're gonna deploy our fix to the zip. And that will be a good stream, I guess. Well, what to control? Right, we need to open up our virtual machine thing. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. There's lots of things. My god. I don't even have the virtual. What? We need to do, and then we need to put into. The reason I'm using Ubuntu is because, well, it already works on my own operating system. Now we need to make it work on a less capable operating system that doesn't have relentless automation like Nix. So it's quite troublesome. The approach I'm going with right now is it's basically packing everything from Nix inside a large file and saying to Ubuntu, well, don't do anything yourself, just use all the stuff inside the file. Basically an ISO, I guess, a runnable ISO, it's a runnable disk. Like, for example, you would have something similar if you have a console, where you have like you put the game disk in and you start playing, right? Well, we can also do this for normal applications. This is Dropbox. Location. Oh, Windows network. What? How is there a Windows network? What do you mean? Okay. Sorry. Oh, we need to resize this Windows. There you go. Give it a bit. Okay. So this is Ubuntu in my system. So, you know, we have a tab with Ubuntu. It's totally normal. So what I want to do now is I need to mount that folder. I thought I did, but apparently Yappy VBox accessible mounting output section. So where's your mount? Dear God. I remember back in the day this being like 5 things. Now it's just everything is being mounted onto. Oh, it's actually doing that. This doesn't know about it. Guess we can go to Ubuntu. Authentication is required. Okay. Oh, we can run it. What is it doing? I don't know what's happening. But since it's actually mounted, sudo sudo I, it's going to be a problem. We can run this as root. Oh, it's a massive bash script. And rather than actually executing it, decided to open it for us to show us what it contains. But it contains the entire program because we did. So this is actually the representation of the program in text format, which is just random. There's no way you can. It's not normal. What is it actually doing? Walk the args in order, processing option, placing non-option argument, and extract. Presumably this is actually working. We're actually doing crap right now. It's just going really slowly. The virtual. It can only use one core as well. You know, you basically need to relinquish resources to the virtual machine to use it. And if you do everything, then you can't run your host. What you do is you use a limited amount of your resources. I'm not sure what's happening. I'm not sure if anything is happening on this. So I want to open up the system monitor like I have on my host. So this thing, system monitor. But I don't know how to do that. I actually don't know that much about it. I only used it. No, I got annoyed by that. Tried to upgrade and it broke. Yep. So, going to run this. Not even from terminal. Set. Run terminal, GNOME system. Okay. It's just frozen. You give it a bit more. I think I already gave it more. That's 4 gigs of RAM. How are you still? Maybe 2 processors? You need 2 processors? You even have 100% of a single processor. That's a lot. Oh, it is actually responding. Doesn't feel like the best of UX if it just freezes for so many. Maybe I can cancel. I probably don't want to distribute this kind of shit. It takes so long to. We can try the app image. I don't know if I want to spend more time on this. It's annoying. It seems like a waste of time to be trying to support other operating systems. Just install Nix. You can run it from Nix packages. Oh, okay. GNOME system is frozen. That's the result of that. Good to crap, no such file directory. Well, thank you. Is this just because the graphics are so awful? I don't know. It just feels like it's always stuck. Something. This doesn't respond to my key input. Okay. Maybe we can use partition more for speedy out. There is an alternative. There is not. So we need to maybe force us to sudo install. It used to have like the traditional setup. That goes good. Probably not. Nothing is happening. Well, at least terminal thing is blinking. Sudo Is this like an Ubuntu problem or is this not mounted? Oh right, we need two Ubuntu alpha. Okay, let's run it again. Now it's keeping flashing. Maybe it's just X being so slow. And it says I can't find it. No such file direct because you need to do slash. What does bundle do? Next bundle Haskell packages cut the crap. You can't find cut the crap. We do that. Did it work here? So even that bundle thing doesn't work. Next review. Oh, we need to give it the output path. So if we build this thing, we need to give it output path. Where's the binary installed? It's probably in make file. I'm just like building this to see what. Well, I guess we already have. We go to bin. Go to. Well, I guess we can make another bundle. This is the shell. Make another bundle, copy it over, and then see. We need to. It's amazing. We need to specify the entry. It just feels like my computer is going slower every day. 40 something. Yeah, different now. Removing leading slash from memory. I think this is it. Like this will just make you a binary that will work on any operating system, any Linux system, and that would make the program quite a bit more. If we just can run make bundle, it's good enough for edit by hand. Hey, I haven't even made them. Please. Oh, it's wrong date. 2020. 2 weeks to figure out we have this back. Okay. Still doing something. I'm not sure about it. Well, you know, if it gives me a workable thing, even though it takes ages to start. It's fine by me. Just add a comment. Bundle stuff work takes a long time. Bundle command. I think that's like the circle building. Yeah, it's actually doing something. Easy. Running on 100% CPU. There you have it. Single threaded. Also some random DSC process doing something. And OBS also taking liking to eat CPU. I wonder if I'm early. I think we should move on to the deploy list. Doesn't make a lot of sense. Fix the bug. It's all fine. Deploy or fix. Yeah, let's just move on to deploying. Having this work or not work on Ubuntu, not a big deal. Just something I want. It's like, you know, if you think about it, the amount of people using Nix or the amount of people Ubuntu, maybe an order of magnitude, maybe 2 or 3 order of magnitudes bigger. But, you know, compared to Windows support, which is the Surface, it's, you know, 10 orders of magnitude. Yeah, focus on the thing. And we can simply do this. So we'll go to videocut.org. Put the crap. Put that into. Oh right, we were getting it from. I don't know actually. Did I package? Let's just look in course. Oh, default. Oh, you moved it. How do you get? Oh, you get it like that. I like it. Pivot version. We can just do this. That should fix that bug on the surface. The thing. We created it. So now we just copy it over to. You know, we can make a symlink to it. Why I'm so upset with it. Maybe I should like. Considering how much better the experience of Wayland is, Ubuntu, maybe you should try it as well. I know I should. It has been years. Project. Crap. Yo. Ja, dat kijk niemand op. Die wel leuk? Geweldig. Ja, en straks als je nog op Airbnb review nou, doe ik dat voor jou. 5 sterren. Geweldig. Maar ik vond het leuk dat je er was. Ja, je bent altijd wel. Ja, dat is goed. Ja, dankjewel. Fijne avond. Doei. Okay, so you need to run too many levels of symbolic. Oh, you're not allowed to. You make a hard link. Oh, we used like it works on Windows. I don't know why it doesn't work on. You can just make symbolic link and escape your little jailbreak. But let's just copy. Yeah. So okay, this should work. It should work. It should work. It may take a while though. I don't know. You can ask 100% CPU. Yeah, it's actually. Is it the GNOME shell? Yeah, don't take 100% CPU GNOME shell. No, it's something else. It's presumably. I can't see it. Still, if it works, it's fine. But I can help us. Yeah, we can see it zipping with all its power. Oh, 82%. That's fine. Wonder. Yeah, it couldn't paralyze. We just are bound. Okay, but if it works, yeah, let's move on to the. Let's see, I guess. Okay. You can just deploy, I guess. I don't know why it took so long for me to think about that. I guess there's a lot of them. Not really. Not really. I was just taking a walk today and like, my life is getting really boring. I was just thinking about how glorious it was to hang up curtains. Those curtains will hang there for years. A little small chore that took me like an hour or something. Years of pleasure of that hour of work. My life is getting really boring. The crazy part is that I love it. You know, diving to the crazy so long. But I saw the guy doing the same thing. One of the core maintainers of Nix packages. He was copying and pasting the SHA, same way as I'm doing. I'm like, okay, this is the best way. You probably didn't have 20 tabs open. 20. We can outsource. Oh, that's some shit. Kind of weird. This fixes a bug. Fixing it upstream for everyone. Build it as well because you should have the warning as well. Come to think. Oh no, we rebuilt. Where's the finish? It works. It works. works. Let's try listening to... Okay, let's first fix this. Amazing. Oh, maybe because of some weight on the crap. Listen. Listen. I can't believe this works. It works. It just works. This is downloading it. My God. Okay, we'll add this. This is version doing it. We can add it. Probably hate. This is 500 max. That's fine. I can handle 500. You can already exist. Crap. Yes, we'll call it. So put the crap. 500 SSD shouldn't take us. I'm thinking like maybe it's getting slower or something. Who knows? It's also better if that should technically. Let's have it in a release now. Done. Also done. I fixed a lot of shit. No one is watching, but I'm really productive. So that's good. Fix the page. Download. Update. Okay. Then readme usage node from Nix bundle. First to one part. These will be to these should only. These are large files because everything bundled. Also a while. First time. Any Linux should remind you that this process can takes weak releases of this kind to build because we buy the package really being merged into Nix every Friday. At the moment it will happen. On this Friday, everything is bundled with including FFmpeg and UDL dependence. This approach guarantees Nix without having to install Nix. Reproducibility. My God, that's a word. Guarantees. Cost is the large files, however, including runtime dependencies such as mpeg. To install Nix bundle build static link plus runtime. From version 2.1 onwards, these Nix bundles will be attached. These should work on any Linux distribution. The cost is that they are large files, however, because everything is bundled within, including runtime dependencies such as FFmpeg and download the executable from the release page. Releases of this kind take a week to build because they rely on packages. At the moment, this appears to happen every Friday. This approach guarantees Nix reproducibility without having to install Nix. Bundle build. I want to also say, contact me if I forgot. Please contact me. Please contact me if you feel. Okay, approach. I think it's quite obvious. You can just make an issue. Grab the bundle release. Typically bundle. No viewers. Oh. I guess we finished that. We can test it out. And well, at least we finished this project. Close. You Nix. Welcome back, Skybro. There is a viewer. Wow. We made another release. Hooray! Another release. We fixed the bug, man. And the bundles are also working. So you can download this bundle and it will work on your Ubuntu system, Skybro. You use Ubuntu, right? Well, I don't know if you use Ubuntu, but it worked on my Ubuntu. If it opens up or something, it actually did the entire thing. I don't know where the output is, but it did the thing. Where's the output? I don't know, but it did the entire process. So where the hell is the output? Oh, we got it to work on Ubuntu. So yay! If there are bugs on Ubuntu, we'll probably hear all these reports coming in soon, because everyone's gonna use it now, because we can. It's only 500 megabytes. It's such a small program. Why wouldn't you use this? So yeah, we basically bring Nix to Ubuntu. That's what we do. We bundle everything into a massive file, and then it just, installs Nix. It's easy. Starting to run the Nix actually helps. You know how long time it takes to set up a new machine without Nix? 15-20 minutes. Why? Oh. It's not about the easy shit. You know, setting up your machine is easy. It's about hard shit, like all these shitty little flags I want to copy over. I don't care. I don't care about it. I just want to copy over this bullshit and not have to think about it. It's for deployments mostly. Yes, probably not for your favorite. Tell me why I don't know why you're using it. You just decided one day you wanted to use GUIX and then started flexing on me. And then I was like, okay, good for you. Please tell me how it goes. But I only do easy shit on my machine. Products, sure, for my workstation. I don't know if it's a good idea for your workstation. What's GUIX? Different. I mean, I like the idea of you exploring GUIX for me and then, you know, deciding it's maybe really helpful or not. And then I don't have to look at it. Isn't that amazing? Temple of GUIX. Exactly, you can do Temple of GUIX. But for me, it's just like this configuration file for it's just been slowly growing and growing over time. And if there will be this day where I have to switch, like, you know, machines. So go to my file, just snowballing. Like maybe we can go back a year or see the difference. It's 550 lines. I wonder how big it was like a year ago. Oh, I hate you, GitHub. But it's 2019. That's a year ago, right? October 2009. I have a problem. That sounds like an explore that. So 150 lines of shit just being added out of nowhere. I don't know what I did in those 150 lines, but they are there. They do something. I don't know what. I don't care. But it will, all that stuff will be carried over to my new machine. And I don't know if it's useful, but it will be there. So I don't have to think about it. You know, it's just reducing friction for me. Yes, I hope. As I just told you, it'd take me like 15 minutes to switch machines. Dot files, GitHub, all them. No, but you don't get all your system shit. You don't get all this, blah, all these programs you use or not use. Don't you want to have DNS utils? I want to have DNS utils. How else do you dig? You need to dig, man. How else do you get to the bottom of this shit if you can't dig? And do you all need all these things for Vim, an editor you probably almost never use? Probably not, but I have it. I'm proud of it. A lot of those lines are shit your regular distro sets up for you. Well, I don't want to be like everyone else. I want to be my own man. My own complexity, my own shit. Don't you understand? I am proud of this shit. I even still have the... I still have the Cachix from Freeman. Even though he hasn't been online for like half a year. Like, the Cachix will carry on. The key will carry on. It's still there. If he does something that happens to be the same as me, I get a marginal time savement. Isn't that amazing? Well, you know, you can crawl back to your old ways. You will never grow big like I am growing in my configuration. I like growing big in my configuration. It's impossible to ask a language server. I don't think it exists. I think all these people are just, you know, editing their Twitch streams or videos somehow to make it look like they have an editor, like a full IDE. I think it's just a lie at this point. It's too hard. It doesn't exist. I need to look at all these random things now. Language server is impossible, I'm telling you. It doesn't exist. Dear end. Caches. You don't need to look into caches. Fire and dear end. Why are you using Haskell language server? You should use it. I think it's called Haskell IDE engine. They moved it. Oh no, they moved Haskell IDE engine to Haskell language server because that makes total sense. Ah, okay. Makes no sense. I couldn't even get this one to work. I can't get this one to work either. I want to try it again. Oh, you're actually trying it out right now. Please, please make it work. And then give me your configuration, which is reproducible. Look at HIE, for example. Yeah, not a good idea. It's merged in Nix packages, right? It's added to Nix packages. But it got merged. I don't know why I'm doing it like this. I'm done. I don't know why I'm doing it like this either. I'm just double done. It is here. What you need to do is you need to go to unstable. I don't think it's in, it's not in 2.29 yet, but it is in unstable. So what you do is you add your Nix packages unstable thing, and then you just depend on that. Wait, where the fuck? I lost it. Never mind, it doesn't exist. And then it's in another tab. So you want to have like a pin that's unstable, packages unstable, and then blah. And then you can use this to install other shit, like OBS Studio, for example. For some reason. Okay. Also make sure to allow broken Oracle accept the license. Important. Okay. What was it? Oh, actually, we're done. Think of it. I was like just closing down the stream, to be honest, because we got all my goals done. No, we're gonna test out. Okay, we can close this shit. We tested out on Ubuntu. We never have to use it again. Hooray. We did deploy. Yeah, we did deploy here. So now we can throw in one of my own Twitch stream into video camera. Which now we need to go to videos, watching, and then fix. Oh, that is. Let's do the one with the certificates. It's kind of boring to watch. Sure. How broken for. No, it's no longer necessary. We fixed that issue as well. We had to fix that issue because otherwise we couldn't make a bundle. We now are able to. So this allows us to make a sort of shell thing that will port Nix to whatever other distribution without having to install Nix. So we basically bypass all their bullshit. And we are able to run Cut the Crap on Fedora, on Ubuntu, on Gentoo, on whatever shitty system you have, because we don't use any of their library. We don't even use their libc. We use our own libc. That's reproducibility now. So it's no longer necessary. We can bundle. In any case. And I'll see the host. Okay, now we need to see if it's a process. H root the video. So kernel control. Fuck you. Oh, it's actually downloading it. Okay, that's good. I guess we can just follow it. It's gonna take a while to download. Maybe we should have done a small one first. Maybe we can open up another tab. There's no reason not to do 2 things at the same time. Server, right? We can do 2 things, that's no problem. So let's do, this is there. Now we have, yeah, it's doing silence detection, it's doing FFmpeg. That's because we have the small file now. So that's all working now. We fixed it. We fixed the bug. Hooray. So now we also can process Twitch feed. I think with this in place, I'm gonna try out this program for a bit on my old streams and see if I can. We can throw them in right now, I guess. But done? Yeah, it is. The stupid. Wait, it seems broken. It seems out of order. What? It's out of order. We have another bug. Oh, by the way, because of the same session, this will download the same file. How does that happen? My God. I don't know. It does something. It's more than nothing. I'm gonna end it here. I'm annoyed. I need to think about this as well. Thanks for watching, Skybro, I guess. And anyone else who's watching. But yeah, I need to take a break from it. I don't know what to do about it. UW boy. It seems out of order, doesn't it? Let's first fix the. Well, I need to take a water break anyway. Maybe we'll debug it. Well, I need to put you at. What's the file called? Tool range. I like those code names, by the way. Wait, it is right. The micro. Wait, what? Seems completely out of order. Wait, I'll can listen. So you can hear it being out of order. It's much easier to hear than that's out of order. I don't know why. What about what if we do it by hand? Like, does it have? Is this because we are running it from the servers? Is it like some download issue, or is it because Cut the Crap is just it? Listen. Option. There we go, I can spell. Alright. Happening on Discord. Why are you setting it in the Discord? I'm on stream now, Skybro. I looked into font, Nix packages, fell for hack. What is hack? I was supposed to use this. What? Oh, I mean, yeah, I'm thinking about it. Then I went on debugging. Don't you know I'm complaining always about going offline? Just like Nix, but it's fighting. So how the hell I'm supposed to use it? It's not a derivation. That's a derivation. What are you talking about? That is a derivation. Look at Tarball is a derivation. Look at the thing it does. It just dumps the result into the Nix store. It's a derivation, right? It doesn't depend on anything. It's source code. And then that source code used else. I think that's a derivation. I'm using these hard words. I'm small brain. Or maybe it went out of maybe it went out of order because it all. Hello, would you be closer? Hello. Okay. No, Skybro, I'm not offline yet. So it's actually working here. Why is it out of sync in the hosted version, but it works perfectly normal locally? What's going on? Was it because we're running 2 at the same time? Is that it? Is that what breaks it? You were being rebellious. You're always rebellious. Are you being rebellious right now? God, you should prepare for it again. I'm running this differently. So. Oh, right. The other request didn't actually stop, so it's still processing that in the background. And also doing this. That's fine, guys. Okay. Expanded. It's still out of order. I don't understand. Okay, I need to take a break. Production Haskell code impossible. I don't know why. It's only on the hosted variant. It's working perfectly locally. But as soon as we put it online, it somehow breaks. And we are using the same program to download. We're using YouTube DL. Are we? We're bad. I need to think about this, to be honest. I don't know. So this is only on the hosted variant, apparently. It works locally. I probably still can't use it. Out of order. Oh, why? Probably need to look at the logs. Yeah, I'm gonna go offline now. Hey, break. I need to think about it, to be honest. Think about it, you should look at the logs. I'm not using the same DL, same as I'm using in Cut the Crap, because we are using the one from the packages and we may be on a different. So one thing we can try doing is the same. Another thing we can try doing is just look at the logs. Yeah, we already have a job running and there's no way to cancel it, so I don't even get the result. We can. But. So yeah, bugs, more bugs. Kind of surprising. Works so different. And we're not even using our custom JavaScript uploader case, right? Because we are doing the processor URI. It's downloading. I don't know. It's complicated. It's difficult. I don't know. The other thing we can try doing, well, maybe online. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. I'll be on in next week sometime. I don't know. Probably later on the week. I just need to look at this on my own. Yeah. See you later. Bye. There's no JS parts in this. It's all the YouTube JS, different YouTube. Maybe if we use a newer version, we'll see. Bye.